Your kidneys work around the clock to filter toxins, balance fluids, and keep your body functioning properly. But certain foods and drinks can put unnecessary strain on them, leading to long-term damage. Many of these foods are common in our daily diets, often without us realizing their impact. In today's video, we'll explore 7 foods and drinks that can harm your kidneys and what you can do to protect them. Let's get started. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt provide essential calcium and protein, but excessive consumption can strain your kidneys. Dairy is high in phosphorus, a mineral that helps maintain strong bones and energy production. Healthy kidneys regulate phosphorus levels, but if they're not functioning properly, excess phosphorus can accumulate in the blood. This imbalance weakens bones and increases the risk of kidney damage. High dairy intake may also contribute to kidney stone formation in some individuals. To protect your kidneys, it's important to consume dairy in moderation. If you have kidney concerns, consider reducing intake or switching to plant-based alternatives like almond or oat milk, which are lower in phosphorus. Maintaining a balanced diet with nutrient-rich foods supports kidney function. Always consult a doctor if you have kidney-related health concerns. Energy drinks and high-caffeine beverages may provide a quick energy boost, but they can put stress on your kidneys. Caffeine is a stimulant and diuretic, meaning it increases blood pressure and causes dehydration, both of which can harm kidney function. When you're dehydrated, your kidneys struggle to filter waste effectively. Additionally, many energy drinks contain excessive sugar and artificial ingredients, which can further strain your kidneys and contribute to kidney damage over time. While moderate caffeine intake, such as in 1 or 2 cups of coffee, is generally safe, excessive reliance on energy drinks or high caffeine beverages can increase your risk of kidney issues. To support kidney health, try switching to healthier alternatives like herbal teas, infused water, or decaffeinated drinks. This can help keep your kidneys functioning properly and reduce unnecessary strain. Next, let's talk about artificial sweeteners and sugar-free snacks, often used by people trying to cut calories. However, these substitutes may not be as kidney-friendly as you might think. Artificial sweeteners and chemical additives in products like diet sodas, sugar-free snacks, and processed desserts have been linked to an increased risk of kidney disease. Studies suggest that long-term use of sugar substitutes can interfere with normal kidney function and may contribute to metabolic disorders such as obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. These conditions can, in turn, put additional strain on your kidneys. While these products are often marketed as healthier options, they may not be the best choice for long-term kidney health. Choosing natural alternatives, such as fresh fruits, can help satisfy your cravings without the harmful effects of artificial sweeteners. If you're finding this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful health tips. Sharing this video with others who may benefit can help spread awareness and encourage better kidney care. Next, let's talk about canned foods. While they are convenient, they often contain ingredients that can be harmful to your kidneys. Canned foods are typically high in sodium and preservatives. Excess sodium forces the kidneys to work harder to filter it out, which can lead to water retention, high blood pressure, and increased strain on the kidneys. Over time, this added pressure can contribute to kidney disease. Additionally, many canned foods contain preservatives that could further affect kidney function. While convenient, these foods should be consumed with caution, especially for individuals with existing kidney concerns. High sodium levels can disrupt the balance of fluids and electrolytes, exacerbating kidney-related issues. For kidney health, it's important to keep sodium intake in check and be mindful of processed foods. Moderating your consumption of canned foods can help reduce unnecessary strain on your kidneys. When consumed in excess, alcohol is one of the most damaging substances for your kidneys. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering alcohol from your bloodstream, but excessive drinking can lead to dehydration, high blood pressure, and toxin buildup, all of which put stress on your kidneys. Over time, chronic alcohol consumption increases the risk of kidney disease and liver damage. This continuous strain on the kidneys can also affect their ability to perform other vital functions. While drinking occasionally may not cause harm for most people, moderation is crucial. Limiting alcohol intake and staying hydrated can significantly reduce the burden on your kidneys, helping to maintain their proper function. For overall health, it's important to be mindful of your alcohol consumption and its impact on your kidneys. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, deli meats, and hot dogs are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and harmful additives, making them one of the worst foods for kidney health. These meats increase blood pressure and oxidative stress, forcing your kidneys to work overtime to filter out the toxins. Over time, a diet high in processed meats can lead to kidney damage and increase the risk of chronic kidney disease. The added sodium and preservatives in processed meats can also cause fluid retention and further strain the kidneys. While these foods are convenient and flavorful, their long-term impact on kidney function is significant. A healthier alternative is to choose fresh, lean proteins like fish, chicken, or plant-based sources like lentils and beans. These options provide the necessary nutrients without overwhelming the kidneys with harmful substances. While medication can be life-saving, excessive or improper use can be harmful to your kidneys. Pain relievers like ibuprofen, naproxen, and acetaminophen are common culprits of kidney damage when overused. These drugs reduce blood flow to the kidneys, which can increase the risk of kidney failure over time. Chronic use of certain medications can cause kidney tissue damage, impairing their ability to filter waste and regulate fluid balance. If you take medications regularly, it's essential to consult your doctor to ensure you're using them safely. Always follow recommended dosages and never exceed the prescribed amount. Additionally, consider alternative pain management strategies, such as hydration, exercise, and dietary changes when possible to help minimize the strain on your kidneys. Your kidneys play a vital role in keeping your body healthy, and the foods you eat can either support or harm them. By limiting processed foods, artificial sweeteners, and excessive alcohol while choosing fresh, nutrient-rich alternatives, you can reduce kidney strain and maintain optimal health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Taking small steps today can lead to a lifetime of healthier kidneys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.